What's going on, everybody? Joe Simpson here. Sorry about the hat head, but it's been like the first time in weeks that I've been able to actually talk decently, and this isn't even great, but I'm just happy to be out and doing a little fishing. It's been raining on us all morning. We've had some bad luck at some early ponds. The later pond gave us a couple decent fish. We're gonna finish out strong over here on our favorite pond on Route 50 in Virginia, and we're gonna probably close it out around 10 o'clock. So anyway, enjoy the video. I hope you guys are having a good Memorial Day weekend. Don't forget what this weekend is about, and try to pay your respects and keep those who served for our country in your memories. All right, guys, take care and see ya. No, we've had way worse days for sure. Have we been skunked? We've been skunked, right? You get one? It's awesome, man. Decent one too, right? 1.5 or 2? Nice. I'm sitting here playing with fishing line and you're catching fish. Good catch, man. That's your, what, Mega Best popper?
I swear to God.
You dog. Good for you, man. You rascal. Pat. Little guy. I'm catching the dinks. He's catching the big fish. Not fair. I'm on the board. Houston, we have a problem. Broken tip. Good fish though, look at this. It was my fault though, I grabbed the tip and squeezed it trying to get the fish. Rascal. It's all right, I'll take it. Beautiful fish. This is the best fish I think in a while for me. He's a good 2.5, maybe even heading to 3. Good one. Really? Popping?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Let me get up close to it. That's a pretty fish, man. Been waiting for that all day.
You choked it too, buried it.
Oh man. Did you get it out already?
Oh yeah.
That guy's not running a stringer, is he?
I don't think so.
Okay, I was gonna say, that's weak. Pat. There we go, Pat. That's a decent one. That's a good one. Nice fish. Been a while since I've had a decent one like that. Another one. Decent fish. Feel huge on the BFS. Not even that big really, but I'll take it, man. I'll take it. So this is a popper hybrid, has a little lip. So people refer to it as a second chance lure. So if you're popping through a zone and you don't get a strike, or it strikes and misses, sometimes they won't hit it the same way again, so you can bring it through and swim it. So I'm gonna see if I can show you how it can do both things. I'll try to swim it in here. So to pop this thing, you gotta leave, you see that red tip sticking out of the water? You gotta make sure that's sticking up to get a good pop. But to swim this thing, I like to pulse swim it. I like to kind of drag it and it'll go back and forth, and then drag it and then let it come back up to the top, and then you catch fish just like that. So there you go. Oops, she came off. But anyway, you can see it works. These fish are still holding up on beds quite a bit. A little one today, half pounder. Let's let him go nice and quiet. There he goes. Little guy.